Let's now go to lung patterns. Let's discuss cold pathogen congesting the lung. This concept is due to a cold pathogen congesting the lung. The clinical manifestations would be cough, dyspnea, white watery sputum, cold body and limbs, pale tongue with white coating, and a slow and moderate pulse. This analysis pattern manifests as a sudden onset of cold and dyspnea accompanied by a cold pattern as a diagnostic indicator. The key symptoms would be sudden cough and dyspnea accompanied by cold signs. Here's analysis of a cold pathogen congesting the lung pattern. The cold pathogen congesting the lung pattern, which fails to govern dispersing and descending and lung qi counter flows upward, results in cough and dyspnea. If it's cold, then which the body fluids congeal, it results in white, watery sputum. If the cold fails to warm the skin, it results in cold body and limbs. If the cold, qi and blood not moving freely, then the blood would fail to nourish the tongue. Then there would be pale tongue with a white coating. If there's stagnation in the vessels, a slow and a moderate pulse. Water cold in the lung. Etiology. Exterior invasion of wind cold when patient suffers from phlegm or water swelling, two pathogens combining to impair diffusion of lung qi. Lung qi deficiency, stomach yin deficiency, kidney yin deficiency may underlie. The possible presenting condition in a severe case may be pulmonary tuberculosis. The signs and symptoms would be cough, hasty panting with inability to lie down and puffy swelling of the lower limbs, copious thin white phlegm, fullness and oppression in the chest and rib side, distension and fullness in abdomen, cold pain in lumbar region, cold knees and lower legs, scanty urine. The pulse would be tight and floating or tight and wiry. The tongue would be a tongue with fur thin, white and glossy or white and slimy. The treatment principle is to warm the lung and transform phlegm, assist yang and disinhibit water. The acupuncture treatment would be to use bladder 13, lung 9, stomach 40, LI4, REN 12, stomach 36, REN 17 to warm the lung and transform phlegm. You can also use REN 9, REN 6, bladder 23, bladder 20, bladder 22, and spleen 9 to assist yang and disinhibit water. The cold pathogen congesting the lung pattern type, there's a case history of sudden onset with acute course, usually no past history. The phlegm would be white, watery sputum or scanty sputum, and the nature of the pathological change would be excess. The phlegm fluids obstructing the lung type, then there's a case history of repeated onset, commonly seen in the autumn and winter, alleviated in the spring and summer, or chronic course. The phlegm would also be white, watery sputum with profuse watery frothy sputum. The nature of the pathological change would be deficiency in the root and excess in the branch. Thank you for your attention.